your grace.
Abakuru 12 ku rwo National Council for Education bija ku marebero bishatu bari kushizima emikorere ya university n'enshoma yabeji.
This opportunity to welcome you, National Council for Education, to USJM. Today is a momentous day when we receive you at JSM.
Abarkwebembera university nibagira ngo betebekanise okureba ngo university age yatunga chata.
Together we are building an institution poised for greatness. Distinguished team, as you conclude your assessment, I humbly request for your favorable recommendation for the granting of our charter based on our readiness. Grant us this charter, and together we will propel Uganda's higher education forward, nurturing generations of leaders who serve with integrity and excellence.
We have developed academic programs and courses that are relevant to the labor market and are accredited by National Council for Education. We have attracted qualified and experienced academic and non-teaching staff.
Aba National Council for Education bagira ikiganiro n'abebemizi ba University AG. Ekiganiro eki cyayikwamo abandi band omura abanyamyoga ku rwo university zindi n'agandi matendekero. University of Saint Joseph Mbarara bamara emyaka 8 omubuhereza barukushomesa amashomo gatarigamwe nagamwe. Oltayayo rwaba National Council for Education kubaraheze oltayayo rwabo a University of Saint Joseph Mbarara banyimebero bishatu nibija kora reporter erije kwanjurwa ombikikwasireho omuna mukuru w'ihanga oyino bushoborozi bukachata.
National Council for Higher Education. So that's briefly the overview of our visit. I want to take this opportunity to thank you very much for welcoming us. I know what it takes to organize for a visitation of this magnitude.
Itwe nkaba ruku kwebembera university itwe nitwereza amani ukureba ngo university n'amazima yakura abokubiri yo nekora kuruga umwaka gwe 2018 obwetandika no kwikana na hati nchimanyisa ngo twaza harurengo rundi amashomo gaza kweyongera ebituru gukora byatunga okumanyisibwa narishi okutongozibwa.
Our TV West ndisenyomo Gideon Ahumrimbar.